Artist Roger Bennett's fascination with woodworking has led to a lifetime of creativity and
I
innovation.
just love being out in nature. I go out there from the tree to what you see. I cut them down. I have a guy that sawmills them up for me to whatever size I need. Come back, dry them out. Just make whatever I feel the tree talks to me. That's what I make out of it. Utilitarian bowl. A lot of people don't know that box is red on this inside.
Find him Saturdays at the community market on the square.
Some of the patterns I used to start out with in '93 was Judy Gill Roberts. She's up in Seymour, Tennessee, I believe. She makes a lot of patterns. And I just started evolving from that, making my own patterns. Just people would ask for custom work, and I would just draw it out and make it for them. Just went from there.